lost her arm and almost her life in a boating accident last summer on Lake Norman. Tonight, she is speaking out for the very first time about what happened and a new lawsuit with News Channel 36 reporter Diane Gallagher. Diane, what do we know about this lawsuit?
Well, we did first tell you about this lawsuit Friday. It's right here singling out not only the driver of the boat, but the owner and the boat manufacturer as well. Now, the 15-page suit seeks damages exceeding $10,000. But Deandra Scott tells me that you cannot put a number on what she's lost.
Oh, and I didn't break a nail.
It's a refreshing feeling for Deandra Scott, relearning what once came so naturally.
I hold a lot of things in between my legs just to give myself some sort of leverage.
6 months ago, while swimming in Lake Norman during a boat party, the 25-year-old's life changed forever.
It's all gone.
When a boat backed over her.
It took my arm, mangled it. It must have just grabbed my leg somewhere in between. I shot back around to the front of the boat.
Next thing you know, there's just an extreme amount of blood. Lots of blood.
Cliff Coleman was on a nearby boat and jumped in to save Deandra. Did you think she was going to die?
We thought it was very possible.
I was dying. They said it. So there's more lake water in my body than blood.
She spent 6 weeks in the hospital. Is that the only damage?
Not at all. Not at all. Every part of my body was affected by this except for my face and my neck. Every other part. This arm, both legs. Every day, I wake up and I look in the mirror and I look at my new body and I have to, give myself a pep talk. You're okay. You're still beautiful. You can reach me by railway.
Now, before the accident, Deandra had saved up thousands of dollars to move to California to become a singer. But that has been spent on paying off the nearly $1 million she owes for medical bills. So right now, her focus is using her voice to become an activist for boating safety.
I have no problem using my words to stand up, for something that I believe in.
Now, Deandra's attorney, Adam Seifer, says that the ultimate goal of the lawsuit is to force manufacturers to increase the safety features on boats and make it more difficult for unexperienced drivers to get behind the wheel. From the newsroom, Diane Gallagher, News Channel 36.
Diane, thanks. In July, police charged the driver of the boat, Dennis Allen, with negligent operation of a motorboat and endangering life and limb. Both are misdemeanors.